INS Vishal is India's next-generation aircraft carrier under development, planned as a significant advancement in the Indian Navy's maritime power projection capability. It will be larger, more technologically advanced, and equipped with modern systems, making it a crucial asset for India's naval dominance and strategic reach, especially in the Indo-Pacific region. INS Vishal will be a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier with an approximate displacement of 65,000 tons, making it substantially larger than India's current carriers such as INS Vikrant, 45,000 tons, and INS Vikramaditya, around 42,000 tons. The carrier will be about 300 meters long, with a beam width of 200 feet. The carrier will adopt the CATOBAR, catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery, system, instead of the stow bar used in current Indian carriers. This allows it to launch heavier fixed-wing aircraft with full weapon and fuel loads, significantly enhancing sortie rates and operational versatility. The electromagnetic aircraft launch system, EMALS, expected to be installed, provides smoother and more efficient takeoffs compared to traditional steam catapults. The INS Vishal's propulsion will consist of cutting-edge nuclear propulsion technology developed by DRDO, ensuring it has greater operational endurance and range of up to 7,500 nautical miles without the need for frequent refueling. Conventional propulsion remains a backup option. The air-wing capacity is projected to include 30 or more fixed-wing aircraft and around 10 rotary-wing helicopters. It is expected to operate the indigenous HAL-TEDBF, twin-engine deck-based fighter, alongside other advanced naval fighters, drones, and helicopters. This represents a substantial leap in India's carrier-based air power, offering next-generation multi-role capabilities and enhanced surveillance through AEW&C, Airborne Early Warning and Control aircraft. INS Vishal will also integrate advanced radar and weaponry systems such as the CELEX RAN-40 LL band, early warning radar, close-in weapon systems, CIWS, and surface-to-air missile launchers, with stealth and survivability enhancements like angular designs and radar-absorbing coatings to reduce detectability by adversaries. INS Vishal will significantly enhance the Indian Navy's power projection beyond coastal waters, enabling sustained operations far into the Indian Ocean and the Indo-Pacific arena. Its nuclear propulsion and large air-wing capacity will allow continuous presence and rapid response across vast maritime domains. The CATOBAR launch system expands operational flexibility by allowing the carrier to launch heavier, fully armed aircraft over longer ranges, increasing strike and defensive capabilities markedly over stow-bar carriers. This upgrade enables higher sortie generation rates and allows the Navy to operate a wider variety of aircraft, including heavier AEW&C, anti-submarine warfare, ASW, and unmanned aircraft systems. INS Vishal represents a transformational step for Indian naval aviation and maritime strategy. It will place India among the select few nations operating nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, joining the United States and France, elevating India's status as a blue-water naval power capable of sustained, forceful presence across oceans. This carrier bolsters India's ability to counter expanding naval capabilities of regional adversaries, particularly China, which is rapidly growing its carrier fleet in the Indo-Pacific. INS Vishal enhances India's capability to maintain dominance in the Indian Ocean region and safeguard critical maritime trade routes. Moreover, the carrier embodies India's drive for technological self-reliance and indigenous defense manufacturing, incorporating Indian-developed aircraft and sea-based systems. It represents a major milestone for the domestic defense industry and strengthens India's strategic autonomy. INS Vishal is thus not just a warship, but a symbol of India's growing maritime prowess, technological ambition, and strategic resolve to maintain peace through strength on the seas. Thank you for watching. If you found the video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.